Hello! Today we are going to have a look at the steps to create a multiple choice H5P activity type with the black interactive content icon. Let's get started. First, we need to have the edit mode on. That way we will see we can add an activity or resource. We click here and we see all the activities and resources. We click on activities. There are many here. Here you see the H5P light blue icon that Elizabeth used for some tutorials. I'm going to use the interactive content that is a black icon, and you will see that now we can expand. The first box is for a description. We can write a description or leave it as it is. And we scroll down, we get to the editor, and here you see that we can create content, we can get shared content, or we can upload content. We are going to create content. That's why this is ticked. You see, for example, if you created content that you have in your computer, you can upload it. But let's click on create content, and we will look for the content type called multiple choice. We scroll down, you see there are many kinds. You can do it this way, or you can do it this way by clicking A to Z in alphabetical order. We go to multiple choice. We click here and we see that we have a tutorial that takes us to the h5p.org website. We also have an example that takes us again to the h5p.org website. We can use this to expand and enter full screen so it gets as big as your screen. We can write a title here. It's used for searching, for reports and copyright. Let's write the name, for example, the Radley family. Oops, capital letters. Okay, it's going to be a simple text because I have a group of elementary level students. So it's going to be about a simple family and its members. Then we see media. We are not going to include during this week any kind of media in our H5P activities, but we could add an image, a video, or audio. In this week we are just going to focus on text. Now, here it says question. So, we're going to write a question and the options below. But well, I thought of writing a text and under the text a question. Okay, this is the text. Maybe before the test we could write some simple instruction. For example, read this text and choose the right answer. We can make this a bit bigger with a heading, and then we can write the first question. Okay, like this. And below we have the available options. If we read the text, we see that Allison is a doctor, right? What options can we write here? Well, one option could be doctor, which is the correct one. I usually prefer to write the first one first, the correct one first. In option 2, well, we can see that there are other occupations here, so perhaps lawyer. Bear in mind this is a very simple text because it's for elementary level students, but you could do this for so many different levels. And another one could be dentist. Okay, but here we see we have two options. We can add an option and write dentist. Okay, of course dentist is not right, lawyer is not right, doctor is right. That's why we tick here. Yes? Okay. Then we have the overall feedback. We can leave it as it is, or we can add a range. In behavioral settings, we can leave the choices as they come by default, enable retry, enable solution, and in the type of question, we have to select the look and the behavior of the question. Automatic, multiple choice with checkboxes, or single choice with radio buttons. Now, we know that this Allison is a doctor, so it's only one single choice. We are going to choose single choice. We can decide to give 1 point for the whole task. Okay, yes. Randomize answers. Okay, well, that is really good because it enables us to randomize the order of the answers on display. That is, doctor, lawyer, and dentist will come in different orders. Okay, that's why I prefer to write the first as the correct, because I know that I can randomize the answers. And then require answer before the solution can be viewed. This comes by default. And I wouldn't choose anything here. Then we can decide on the pass percentage. I would say 100% because it's just one question. Yes, show score points. Okay, excellent. And then that's it. Good. Now you see that there's no button to save at the very bottom because it's here, proceed to save. Why? Because we want to exit full screen. Either way will make this smaller. Look, now I'm going to click on exit full screen. It comes to the regular size. I go to the bottom and now I see that the display options, the grade, maximum grade. Well, it's just one question. Yes, I will give just 1 point here. I will add requirement, receive a grade. Well, a passing grade. This passing grade is 1 because it's just one question. Yes? Okay, now let's save and display. Okay, here you see the text, the instructions we put, the short text, and one question. Allison is a doctor. And we check it. But suppose you want to make more of this type of multiple choice questions. Well, in this activity type, multiple choice, you make one question per activity. Later in this course, we will see next week another activity type that is called question set, where we will be able to put different kinds of questions, multiple choice, true, false, etc., within the same activity. So, multiple choice is one multiple choice each. But next week, we will see how we can put together several kinds of questions in just one activity. Okay, that's it. I hope you liked it.